Hey you guys, it's Host.Promo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get 75% off on Scalahosting. All you need to do is click the link down below and it'll bring you to this page, which is a special promotion page. And you can see that they will actually transfer your website if you're using another host completely for free. And you'll get 75% off on their 1-year plan as well as their 3-year plan if you want to lock in a big discount. And besides their website migration, they'll also give you a free email migration, a free SSL certificate, and a free CDN integration. And Scalahosting has one of the best support teams in the hosting industry. They respond on average in 15 seconds. They have a 98.9% customer satisfaction rate, and they have customer support 24/7. The company has over 15 data centers to choose from, and they've been around since 2007, and they're one of the most reputable hosting companies, and I can highly recommend them. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And make sure to check out Host.Promo if you want to find more web hosting promotions.